Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are very welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how to create your own WhatsApp bot and pair it from Telegram step by step. Before we get started, please support the channel by liking this video, subscribing, and turning on the notification bell so you don't miss future updates. All the links you will need are available in the description below, so make sure you check them out. Now, before we continue, we need to edit the file first, so follow along carefully. Let's get started. You can edit the files if you want to customize the bot to your own needs. The main files you will be working with are Dreenox.js, token.js, bot.js, and pair.js. Each of these files controls an important part of how the bot works, so it is very important to edit them carefully and make sure everything is configured correctly. As we go through this process, I will explain what each file does and what changes you need to make inside them. Make sure you follow every step closely and do not skip anything, especially if this is your first time setting up a WhatsApp bot. Now, let's start editing the files together, step by step. Follow me closely. You will need to change the links inside the files. In bot.js, make sure you replace the existing links with your own Telegram channel or group links. After that, add the bot as an admin in all the Telegram channels and groups you want it to manage, and make sure it has the required permissions. Before the bot can work, we need to create a Telegram bot. I will show you how to do this step by step. Once you are done creating the Telegram bot, copy the bot token that Telegram provides. Then, locate the file called token.js, paste your bot token inside it, and save the file. Let me open some of the codes and preview some of the links that you can change. After that, we create new Telegram bot from bot. Father the selected links you can change. I can't edit all the files, it's easy to do, so you guys can do that. Let's create a new Telegram bot. First, open your Telegram app on your phone or computer. In the search bar at the top of the screen, type at Botfather and open the official Botfather account. Start a chat with Botfather and send the command /start. Next, type /newbot and follow the instructions. Botfather will ask you to choose a name for your bot and then a username that must end with bot. Once the bot is created successfully, Botfather will generate a bot token for you. Copy this token and keep it safe. Now go back to your project files and open token.js. Paste your Telegram bot token into the file, save it, and close the editor. Now let's move on to hosting the bot and keeping it alive. For this step, you will need to use the Brave browser. Using Brave helps you avoid unnecessary ads while hosting your project. Open Brave and visit the hosting website, optilink.com. When the page loads, you will be required to log in using your Discord account. Before logging in, make sure your Discord account is at least 1 month old, otherwise the login will not work. After logging in successfully, create a new server. Give the server a name of your choice. When asked to select the server type, choose Game, then select Bot Hosting, and finally choose Node.js as the environment. Once you are done with the setup, click Create Server. After the server is created, log into your control panel where you can upload your bot code, start the server, and keep your bot running online 24/7. You may need to reload the website several times before it fully loads. Once it opens successfully, click on the File Manager to upload your bot files. Then extract, unarchive it. After extracting, delete the original zip file to avoid confusion. Open the extracted folder, select all the files and folders inside it, and move them to the root directory, /. Once that is done, go back to the console section. Start the server and wait for a few minutes while everything installs and initializes. After a short while, your bot will start running and will be fully operational. After about 3 minutes, you will see a message like this in the console. This confirms that your bot is running successfully. Let me make something clear. I am not the developer of this bot. The bot was originally built by a tech developer known as Nameless, and it was later shared publicly. Now that the bot is running, let's send a message to it and confirm that everything is working correctly. Perfect. The bot is now working. You can link it to your WhatsApp account by typing the command /connect followed by your phone number. After sending the command, you will receive a pairing code. Use this code to connect the bot to your WhatsApp account and complete the setup. That's it. Your bot is now fully connected and ready to use. To use. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future tutorials. Your support really helps the channel grow. See you in the next video.